batty washer, or bidet as some would call it. So this, I did up this bathroom recently and I attached a bidet attachment to the toilet. It was a kit that you buy, so there's the hose that comes with it. It's just like a standard shower hose, and with it became the fittings to be attached to the toilet cistern. I don't like that. The reason why I don't like it is that basically it reduces the flow of the water. Flip your hand, Jeff, show them. There it is, look, it really reduces the pressure. Don't like it, it doesn't work so well. You know, when you want to squirt, you want to squirt, squirt, squirt. So that can stay with the bananas. And so what I'm doing myself is put the washer in. I use a standard T when you can get it in. Come on, twist it, twist, there we are. That's fitted there. And then a female coupling to attach to the toilet cistern. This is all 15mm, by the way. And that would mean, once it's on, there's the hose. The mains water would flow into the T, straight up into the toilet cistern, so that's covered, but it'll also branch off to the bidet. And you can squirt that whenever you like. So that's what I need to do, I need to fit it. So, plenty of tape. You can't have too little of that stuff. It's a big helping hand. That is the water inlet. That's the fill valve. So I've attached my my coupling and my T-junction and everything else, all with tape. And then I get my head under there. I mean, look at that bloke. He's too big to fit under there. There he is, fitted as yeah. Awkward as hell, but it works. Quite simple, really. A bit awkward to fit. But then, you know, when you get in awkward situations, you might as well smile about it. I mean, who does he think he is, fitting in that small space? You're far too big, fella. Anyway, hope this little video helped. Thanks for watching. See you later.